Don't have time to edit my videos. I was looking for a way where from my phone I could literally just record a video like I'm literally just filming my screen right now. After that I can just drop a video into a Google Drive folder and my computer will literally edit it and publish it everywhere. And why is that so important to me? Because I just don't have time, and also I have so many different software that I have to promote. I would never have time to edit it, and I don't have money to get someone to edit it for me. So it's absolutely incredible. You can actually publish to all your channels. And if that was the only thing it could do, that would be perfect for me. But it actually edits using effects. For example, this video you're seeing right now, the one you're watching, I'm recording it on my phone in my balcony at home. I don't even have my computer with me. After I finish recording this, I'm literally going to drop it into a Google Drive folder, and the AI is going to do the rest. It's going to edit the video, it's going to add a comment, it's going to add some chat, like a messenger type conversation. It's going to add tons of effects related to what's being said in the video. So it's listening to me, it's listening to what I'm saying. Here, check this out. You use your phone, put it in Google Drive, your computer's on, and it just starts taking care of it. Check it out. Also, I have saved prompts for each folder. Here, you know what? Let me give you a bit of inside information. Check this out. Check out my actual Google Drive folder on my computer. Here are my different folders. Now, I also have Suno channels. Check this out. Use Suno song. So whenever I want to create a Suno song, I just get the MP3 of it, drop it into this folder, and literally make some music video out of it. Yes, you heard me right. Additionally, I have my business channels, which are down here. So whenever I go over here and I put a video into here, like I just click on the plus button and I upload a file, once I do that, it will literally just start editing the file and actually posting. I actually did it a few minutes ago. You might actually see a video on this channel a few minutes ago, and all the videos on my channel are actually edited using this app. So this is not just something you talk about, this is something that actually works. Now what else can it do? So I already mentioned music video from any sound file, talking avatars from a sound file, and it has scheduling features, which is incredible. So let's say you have like 10 videos of yourself, you can literally drop them all into the folder at once, and it will literally spread out the videos by time. For example, you can do every 4 hours, it should just post the video, which is amazing because then you can drop them all at once and it will spread them out according to a schedule. Or you can do one a day. For example, you can record yourself 30 times, drop it into a folder, and it will literally schedule them for 30 days. Also, you can organize your different channels into businesses. For example, let's say you have 3 Instagram channels, one for your music channel, one for your business, and one's your personal one. You can literally group all your channels, like your personal YouTube, your music YouTube, all of them together. For example, I'll show you what I mean right now. If it doesn't make sense. Here's my business channels, so they're all grouped together. Then I can switch if this website actually works. Right, the website's not working. It's not actually a website, it's a desktop app, like it works on Windows and Mac. What I'm showing you here is just a website. Here we are. So then you have my music channels, which are all grouped together, and then I can publish to them all at once. Absolutely incredible. You've got to check this out. I promise you, if you're not using this, your content is not going to reach as much as it could.